A brand new car, business package, or wedding bundle worth up to ₱1 million are prices too great to pass up, or rather too good to be true, for a shot of just ₱20 a pop. It turns out, with no surprise, this yearly raffle draw for big prizes is a scam in which 100 people take part to fleece naive and unsuspecting patrons. Ryan Lesigas has more on this raffle draw scam in San Vicente, Tarlac, which ran for years and was recently busted by the PNP's anti-cybercrime group.
While the bettors and organizers were in the middle of a raffle draw in San Vicente, Tarlac City, operatives from the PNP anti-cybercrime group suddenly raided the illegal gambling operation. The target of the operation was to arrest those behind and involved in the illegal gambling activity. Apart from operating without a permit, there were reports that nobody actually wins in the raffle draw. In other words, this was a major scam. The gambling operation had allegedly been running for 5 years. It was the local government unit itself that sought help from authorities after becoming suspicious of the raffle being conducted by the group. According to PNP ACG Director Police Brigadier General Bernard Yang, many were enticed to buy raffle tickets because of the attractive prizes. For just ₱20 per ticket, you could allegedly win a brand new vehicle, a business package, a piece of land worth ₱1 million, or a wedding package. In the said operation, 94 people were initially arrested, all of whom were running the gambling operation.
Ito ay yung mga financiers. We have arrested 3, 18 admin staff, 46 head distributors, 19 distributors, 11 agents. Yung ticket, binibenta nila ₱20 per one ticket. Yung isang bundle nito is 1,500. Pero ang nire-remit nila doon sa organizer is only 1,000. So the rest will go to kung sino man yung nagbenta ng bundles o ticket.
The arrested suspects are now facing multiple charges.
Bakit natin hinuli ito? Dahil nung kami ay nagsagawa ng verification sa local government units, sa SEC, sa BIR, PAGCOR, CTI, wala po lahat silang any documents that would prove na legit yung ginagawa nila. So there was indeed a violation of law.
The PNP ACG is now preparing to file charges against others involved in the gambling operation. Yang said that about 1,000 bettors will be charged for violation of anti-illegal gambling laws under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. He also said they will start cracking down on illegal online raffles where no one ever wins. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.